This is a plain demonstration of the AI-Tourguide app, showing the core features without any extras.
We'll start by creating a new tour in Florence, but you can generate tours in any city on any theme. For example, a Medici-themed tour in Florence, a No Churches tour, or a Game of Thrones-inspired walk in Dubrovnik. It usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds for the AI to select fitting attractions and connect them into a walking route.
Once it's done, you'll see the tour overview. Here, each stop comes with a short description, so you can read more if you like. Next, we press Tour Navigation. The route is displayed on the map, and you can choose your starting point. In this case, we'll begin at the Ponte Vecchio, since it's closest, and then press Start Tour. This starts the AI guide. It greets you, gives you context about the city, and from here you can simply walk the route while the guide talks to you. For this demo, we're using the quality voice mode, which takes a little longer to reply, but there's also a fast mode available if you prefer quicker responses.
From medieval markets to the tombs of geniuses, every step connects us to artists, rulers, and rebels who shaped history. As we walk 450 meters to our starting point, Ponte Vecchio, you're actually following the same route merchants took in the 1300s, trading gold and spices along the Arno. Back in 1345, after a devastating flood destroyed all other bridges, Ponte Vecchio was rebuilt, and it's the only bridge in Florence that survived World War II intact, thanks to Hitler's direct order. Locals still whisper that he spared it because of its beauty, though historians debate whether it was strategy or sentiment. And when we reach Ponte Vecchio, I'll show you the hidden Vasari corridor, a secret elevated passage built in 1565 where dukes walked above the streets, spying on the city without being seen. But here's the twist. Inside that corridor, there's a tiny blood-stained door tied to an assassination that changed Florence forever. I'll tell you the full story when we arrive. By the way, what should I call you?
My name is Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Tom. Now that we've started, let me tell you something most tourists never notice about this riverside path. As we walk toward Ponte Vecchio, look down at the stones beneath your feet. Some of these pavers date back to the 14th century, laid just after the Great Flood of 1333 that wiped out the original bridge. That disaster was so severe, contemporary chronicles describe dead cows tangled in the rubble and towers washed downstream. The city took over a decade to recover, rebuilding the bridge with its iconic closed shops, the first in Europe to levy rent based on window size. And here's the wild part. When we reach Ponte Vecchio, you'll see those little gold shops today, but during Mussolini's rule, he forced the jewelers to replace their signs with fake fish markets to hide the bridge's luxury from German bombers. The name Ponte Vecchio means old bridge, but its survival secrets are even more incredible than its age. Tom, have you been to Florence before?